Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your credit card rewards with US Bank step by step clearly. To recover your credit card rewards with US Bank, start by gathering your account information. Log in to your US Bank online account on their official website or mobile app. If you don't have an online account, create one by providing the necessary information. Once logged in, navigate to the rewards section of your account dashboard. Review your available rewards to confirm the total points or cashback you have accumulated. If your rewards are nearing expiration, consider planning how to redeem them promptly. Select the type of redemption you prefer, such as cashback, travel, or gift cards. For cashback, click on the option and choose the amount you wish to redeem. If you opt for travel rewards, browse the available choices and select your preferred destination or hotel. For gift cards, explore the catalog and select your desired retailer. Confirm your selection and follow the prompts to complete the redemption process. Review the terms and conditions related to your chosen rewards to ensure a smooth transaction. Once you confirm your redemption, you will receive a confirmation message and email. Keep track of your redeemed rewards in your account for future reference. Consider setting reminders to check your rewards balance regularly to maximize benefits. If you encounter issues, contact US Bank customer service for assistance. Follow up on your redemption status through your account dashboard or customer service. Stay informed about new promotions or opportunities to earn additional rewards. This will help you make the most of your credit card rewards moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.